Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried rice with bacon. Chinese name called 培根炒饭. The main ingredient we need the rice, the leftover rice from yesterday night, and we need a foul green onion. This onion already washed and pick out the dead leaves. And the bacon, we just need a half bag of bacon. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion. Those are green onion. We cut the root off. We cut it from middle. Right here. Then we chop it. We cut it. Just cut as small as possible. Probably cut it like this small, yeah, but not over this. Those green onion we get. Okay, here we cut the bacon. We cut the bacon from the middle. We don't need this much. We need just half. We just use this half, and this half we keep it in the fridge. This we just get it out. Okay, then we cut it. Try to cut it smaller. Probably cut it just like this. This is cut smaller, so easy for us to fry. Those are the bacon we get. Turn on the stove, medium fire, and put the pot on, and heat up until the pot is hot. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons to a quarter cup of vegetable oil, and I add the olive oil. You can use olive oil, and then rinse the pot. And just heat it until the oil is hot. When the oil is hot, we add the bacon into the oil, and slowly fry until the bacon fat go to the vegetable oil, and the bacon become crispy. Then we go to the next step, just slowly fry. When most of the bacon's fat go to the oil and the bacon started become crispy, then we added the green onion to it. And slowly fry until onion release good smell, and onion started a little burn, but just a little burn, but not become black or over burn, just a little burn. And the onion release good smell. Then we do the next step. With the onion and release good smell, and they just cut a little golden brown, a little just using most of the water in the onion and all released out, and then we add the rice into it. Okay. We just you also can use a hand to smush it, or you can use this to let the ice separate it. It's all up to you. Slowly stir fry. hold the pot so the pot won't move. In case you do it hard and the pot is just turn over. So hold the pot. Slowly fry. This is the plain salt. We add, I think we add 1 teaspoon of salt. Not too much. If it's not enough, you can add more. Because the bacon is already salty. The rice sometimes a little will stick to the pot, so don't worry. Just slowly fry. It will be a little that stick to the pot burn, so don't worry. Or if you're afraid of burning, you can use a non-stick pot. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch black pepper to it. Don't add too much. This is the soy sauce, not dark soy sauce, just soy sauce. Then add the one tablespoon soy sauce, please. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. If you like soy sauce, you can add 2 tablespoons. All up to you. But don't add dark soy sauce because dark soy sauce make the so brown. Slowly fry. Okay, let me try it. It tastes pretty good. So good. So we just turn off the stove. So this fried rice with bacon, this food is done. Okay, we get a plate and add the fried rice to the plate. Just put enough for the 1 person. I think this is enough for 1 person. Okay, just go wipe the edge. Just wipe the edge, make clean. So the fried rice with bacon, Chinese name called培根炒饭, and this food is done. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.